Hi all, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the qualifier annotation. In most of the interviews, we can face this question about the qualifier annotation. Uh, this is most frequently asked question in for Java profiles. So, a qualifier annotation will help to resolve the ambiguity when we have multiple bins for the same type, and we need to specify which bin to be injected. So, to avoid the ambiguity when multiple beans of the same time exist, to specify which bean has to injected. In that purpose, we can use the qualifier annotation. This we will discuss in detail with an example so we can get better understanding. Suppose we have multiple beans of same type and you not specified which bean to inject with the qualifier annotation, then we will get the exception, no unique bean definition exception. This annotation, right, to use we need to import the package. I mean, this annotation will belongs to package or the Spring Framework Beans Factory Annotation. So basically, when we will use, for what problem we will use qualifier annotation, right? So when you have multiple beans of same type and Spring can't able to decide which bean to inject. This one we will get better understanding by looking at the example later. So you have to use the qualifier annotation along with auto-aware annotation to tell explicitly that which bin to inject. Let's look at the example. We have the payment interface. Okay, here I have the payment service, and I have implemented two child classes from that payment. One is credit card payment, and another one is loan payment. So here, credit card payment and loan payment, these are two bins of same type. These two beans belongs to same type payment. Okay, now in the customer class I want to inject the payment bean, so I specified the auto-aware and auto-aware annotation. I specified payment bean to inject. Here the problem is, for payment type, right, we have two child classes. One is credit card payment and loan payment. So for payment type there are two beans with the same type. I mean, credit card payment and loan payment belongs to same type, that is none other than payment type. Now, Spring will get ambiguity. Which bean, either credit card payment bean I have to inject here or loan payment bean I need to inject here. That Spring can't decide it. So here we will get the exception that we discussed earlier. No unique bean definition exception. That exception will get here. What exception it is? No unique bean definition exception. To avoid that ambiguity and to do not get that exception, we should use the qualifier annotation. That means we specify the which bean has to injected for this payment type. So look at this code, right? So I specifying the which bean has to injected here for payment type. So I am using the qualifier annotation. Inside the qualifier annotation, right, I specifying the bean name, credit card payment. So what will happen here? So for payment type, while performing the injection, bean injection with auto-aware annotation, I specified the qualifier annotation also. So it will inject the credit card payment. Explicitly, I am specifying that which bean to be used and injected for the payment type. So here we do not get any ambiguity for the Spring Framework. Spring Framework will not get any ambiguity, and it will use the credit card payment bean to inject here. So we are specifying explicitly which bean to be injected. This is about the qualifier annotation. This much information details is more than enough to provide in interviews. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and support. Thank you.